Oh, nasistress daw sila.
Nasistress sila?
Kaya lang yung iba, maraming nasistress. Dahil nababalitaan natin, may mga nasistress, may dumadaan pa rin sa time ng feeling of anxiety, may mga disappointments, o kaya loneliness. Hindi kaya nasistress ang mga tao dahil daw sa mga gifts? Nagtago na ba kayo? Ha? Huwag kayong tatago sa mga inaanak ninyo.
Always reminding you that kapag happy ang spouse,
Magiging
happy ang buong house. Welcome sa inyong lahat. Another episode, interesting topic. But before that, love,
Mag-like, mag-subscribe. Social media accounts katulad ng Facebook, ng Instagram, meron din po tayo sa YouTube, TikTok, at saka ang Twitter. The Christmas season meant to be a time, joy, of family reunions, yung mga get-together. Kaya lang yung iba, maraming nasistress.
paano?
Oh, nasistress daw sila.
Nasistress sila?
Dahil nababalitaan natin, may mga nasistress, may dumadaan pa rin sa time ng feeling of anxiety, may mga disappointments, o kaya loneliness. Bakit?
Christmas comes with high expectations. Kailangan maging perfect. Or happy families enjoying celebrations, gift-giving, at saka yung mga traditions. Madami din tayong kakilala. They lost their loved ones. Kami personally, na-experience po namin yan sa family. Christmas can intensify feelings of grief and sadness, and these are all valid.
Some people experience feelings of isolation, di ba, yung mga financial pressures,
Ayan na.
increased family conflict. Kaya nga, bakit naman nangyayari itong mga bagay nito mismo pa sa season na ito? Dahil dyan, nagiging stressful lang. Dito sa Happy Spouse, Happy House, allow us to help you process things and to help manage stress and anxiety during this festive period.
Here to give you some tips lang po to help minimize stress during the holidays.
Unang-una is to plan ahead and to plan early. During this Christmas season, it's inevitable that some schedules or yung mga commitments na meron tayo, it will all happen on the same day. Minsan kahit ganun, nalilito pa rin tayo sa mga schedules natin. And that's why it's important na to make sure na yung plano natin, minsan left and right, nag-i-invite sa husband, may nag-i-invite sa wife, kakakalimutan mo nang mag-confirm, huwag munang mag-commit para maiplano ng mas maganda, plano ng mas mahal.
Meron din po tayong tinatawag na family budget. Let's work on our budget. Gawa na tayo ng kung anong gusto nating lutuin. Kung tayo po yung nag-hosts, maglista na po tayo. So maganda na pagplanuhang mabuti, ano yung menu para sa ilang tao, para alam po natin yung budget na kakailanganin natin during the holidays. Another tip is, let's identify what are the reasons causing us stress. Is it social media? Are we being pressured with whatever we see on social media na to the point na let's have this during the holidays, tuloy na stress tayo kasi hindi yan pinag-usapan ng mag-asawa or ng family sa budget po nila. So ang nangyayari, nakikarry over. Kaya nasistress tuloy, diba? And then also, nakaka-disconnect din yon dahil diba, during Christmas, we want the family to gather. We want the family to celebrate traditions. Minsan po, may mga reunions dyan, diba, yung nagbabalik-bayan dahil may ikakasal. Ask yourself, ba't nga ba ako nasistress? What are the reasons why feeling ko nasistress ako talaga? So not only that, you can also do scheduling. Maglista, yung ikaw talaga yung gagawa, no? Yung mga detalye. Nakaka-stress din po yung, syempre, you have a budget. Buying gifts for your loved ones. And also, minsan, yung mga Kris Kringle sa office, di ba? Uso na ulit ngayon. So, pwede namang mag-suggest tayo, pag-usapan, pag-agrihan on what budget we have during this season. And then, for the budget, you stick to it. Avoid overspending.
Pwede rin i-add natin pag kami mga family dinners tayo or dinners with friends na okay lang naman din mag-organize ng potluck para hindi lang lahat nakabuhos sa'yo. Ikaw lahat mag-iisip, ikaw na nga nag-host. Tayo din naman sa stress pagka kunyari 3 pang parties ang gagawin natin. It will require us to prepare for at least half a day.
Para mas alam din ang budget.
As long as you will not be stressed. So, ang next natin ay consider creative gift-giving ideas. Ang mga gifts, di ba, comes in all shapes and sizes.
Tama.
Great gift can be your own. Nagbibig kayo ng cookies, nagbibig kayo ng brownies, nagbibig kayo ng bread.
Cupcake.
Nauuso na ang pagbigay ng tinapay. Nowadays, very good idea yan. Mga tinapay na yan at saka mga bagay na pwede nating i-bake. Para sa mga very creative dyan, pwede rin yung personalized na cards o ano ba yung tawag
Or Christmas
dito na art
decors.
print,
Oh.
o photo album, handmade decors, ornaments, mga ornaments. May mga families na nagregalo ng mga ornaments, inipon nila lahat, every year nilalagay nila sa tree.
Tapos nagiging conversational piece. Lalo na if your family is growing, you can tell them the story. Kunyari, anak, nung baby ka pa, ito yung una mong ornament, so it becomes a tradition din. Let's again, do not focus on yung hindi natin kayang bilihin versus, oo nga no, pwede kong gawin yun. Pwede tayong gumawa ng sarili nating decor.
Remember, you don't have to spend more than what you can afford.
Another practical tip so that you'll not be stressed during this Christmas season. Learn how to say no. Okay lang po na mag-decline tayo or humindi tayo sa mga imbitasyon. Unang-una, if our schedule doesn't permit, it's okay. Say no tactfully in a nice way. Pwede nating sabihin din sa iba nating relatives na this year, will not visit you po muna this year, pero schedule na lang natin para next time makabisita po tayo. Pwede natin i-share din yung mga to-do list natin sa ating pamilya. Huwag natin lahat akuin. Kunyari si mommy. Although it's our joy naman as mothers to care for our husbands and our children and the rest of the family. Pero para hindi po tayo ma-stress, let's say no. And it's time to delegate it. Yung mga bata ngayon talagang magagaling din po, no? At huwag tayong ma-feel guilty kung hindi po tayo naka-attend sa ibang mga imbitasyon. Dahil
Correct.
talaga pong nag-evolve din ang family unit and at the same time, so that we will not be stressed or be pressured. Let's learn how to say no.
The last one is this. Ano yung pinaka-sentro ng selebrasyon, di ba,
Yes.
ng lahat? The center of our celebration is our Lord Jesus Christ. He is the reason for the season. His love is the deepest. Yung peace na binibigay ni Lord sa atin is the truest. Yan ang pinakatotoo. His gift is the greatest. Ano pa ba yung magiging reason kung bakit? Knowing that He is the true reason for just eases up. Kailangan natin mag-celebrate. Hindi ito para sa atin lang. If you have children, it's for your children. It's for your family. It's for everyone.
Sinabi po dito, Isaiah 9:6, "For unto us a child is born, unto us a son is given, and the government shall be upon his shoulder, and his name shall be called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, Prince of Peace." For the very reason why we celebrate Christmas. Huwag po tayong ma-pressure because ito ang kadahilanan kung bakit tayo lubos na nagpapasalamat dahil meron pong ipinanganak ang ating Panginoong Jesus who saved us all.
So let us thank God for everything. Tayo
Thank you,
maging
Lord.
grateful. Focus lang tayo on the one who brings hope, light, and life. That's it for us. This is Chico.
And Coach Mary Ann, greeting you all.
Ang bawat pamilya may pag-asa.
Happy spouse!
Happy